YouTube, what's happening, man? Big Boom checking in with Ignorant RC Reviews, man. We out here at the park. I got that MAXX with me today. Let's see what the hype all about, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's do a little quick bash, man.
Big Boom on the beat.
Yes, sir. What's good, too? Yeah, I just got done with the bash, man. I'm happy with the Traxxas MAXX. Very happy with it. Yeah, that bit does snatch, dog. It flip a lot too, but you gotta hit them corners with, you know what I'm saying, with a little ease on it. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely get the wide kit that comes with it. I might up the gears, change up the tires, you know, light work on it. But hey, I'm happy with it out the box, man. That bitch snatching, dog. So I'm ready to get out there and you know, really run it when I find some space. But shout out to the squad, man. CottonMouf RCs, D Montana. Shout out to Big Got Reviews, all the way in Georgia. That boy TruBoyz RC. We all in Florida, so I mean, you know, we just be we new to the community. We linking up with people that's already been in it. So I mean, so far it's going good, man, I must say. But I had more footage. It ain't come out too good, you know. I'm kind of recording this by myself, you know, so it ain't come out, so I ain't put it up. So I just put out whatever I had. It came out alright. But yeah, man, subscribe to them guys I just called. I'll leave a link in the description. We out of here, man.